Hey, so I bought another one of Jeffree Star mystery boxes. And I actually bought this shirt. So I was hoping that this shirt wouldn't come in the mystery box, and it didn't. But anyway, because I got this, it came outside of the mystery box. So I got this big old green box, and I was concerned at first. I was like, I thought my box was yellow. But look, it has money. I wish, and my cat's trying to get in it. I wish all this was real money for me. Okay, go get in the box now. There you go. Okay, so then my actual mystery box came in the yellow one. I think it, yeah, deluxe. Small. And I already opened it. I opened it a few days ago, but I got the first vaccine and ended up not feeling too good after, and also started my period, so I'm just now filming. I got this almost a week ago, but it's okay. So here's the front of the shirt. It's like a new looking logo, unless he's had it before, I'm not sure. And then here's the back. And I'm glad it's a black shirt, and like I said, it's soft. And I'll definitely wear it. And this green color matches something that came in the box, so I guess I'll show that to you after I show you one more little thing. So there's the shirt, and then we also got these first edition enamel pin set, which is pretty cool. I don't really have anything to put them on right now, but maybe I'll buy a jacket or something, or a hat and put it on. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the item I was talking about that would match that shirt. It is one of his eyeliners, and it is the green one, money counter. It looks like that. That light green. My cat's trying to sit in my lap right now. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'll do a swatch of this real quick and then we'll move on. So there's the swatch. I'm sorry, I don't have the best setup right now because I'm still trying to get my room together and everything put away from moving. So, as you know from my last video if you saw it. So, yeah, you're literally on my bed right now, sitting perfectly, and I'll show you later. Sitting perfectly on my Tri-Wizard Cup Tournament Harry Potter, kind of like a lamp, I guess. And it's for his Star Lounge, which is for like smoking and stuff. You know. Okay, so next little things were I got 3 individual eyeshadows. Solemnly Swear, which looks like this. And then I got one that's really similar color in my opinion, Gravedigger. And then that's what it looks like. And then I got a sparkly one called Paw Bear. And it looks like that. So this one I could do on like my actual eyeshadow lid. Sorry, that's what I'm trying to say. On my lid for like a dark smoky look. And this would bring some sparkle to it that I always love. Okay, so next I got the Shane Dawson lip balm, which I'm super happy about because I have the Jeffree one, which is black, gives you a little residue, and this one is just the clear. And honestly, I love this color. But it's just the clear, and smells like root beer, I think. And I'm also just getting over a cold sore right here, which it seems like almost every makeup video I have a freaking cold sore. I'm not sure what's wrong with me. Besides ulcerative colitis. So I love that one. Now I can have just like a normal lip balm for every day. And I got breakfast at Tiffany's, which looks like that. And I'm not gonna lie, this one I'm only probably gonna wear for maybe a specific like makeup look, or since I know that these are safe for the eyes, I might wear it like eyeshadow, maybe like a bottom layer. So there's that swatched next to the green. Okay, and then I am super excited about this. We got a gloss, and you know how I am with the gloss. I want to be able to wear it, obviously, and the first one I ever got was too much of like foundation color for me, so I couldn't wear it. Then I got Mouthful or Thirst Trap? Mouthful, I think. And it's pretty sparkly. But this time, I got Diamond Juice. And oh my gosh, this one is sparkly. Oh, I wish you could see the sparkles in it. It's so sparkly. I'm putting it right under breakfast at Tiffany's. Oh no, I didn't put it on the good side. I'm so sorry. I'll have a picture of like everything swatched on my arm later. Now we're getting down to our last two items. Okay. And I did not spoil anything at all. I did not. I clicked on one video of the deluxe box, and then I decided, you know what? Last time I watched and got a video, or a box, I mean, I wasn't very happy with some of the items that I got, and it's because I knew ahead of time what was in the box, what could be in the box. So I had no clue that these items were in there, and I'm super excited about them. I'll do the eyeshadow palette first, just because I'm not swatching it right now, and you just kind of see it, but then I will do some lipsticks that I might have gotten. So, I got the Jawbreaker palette! And y'all, I am so excited about this because I had to throw away my James Charles Artistry palette, and it's because it was expired at that point. So all I had was the Orgy palette for my everyday makeup look, and that was about it. I didn't have anything else anymore. So now I have beautiful colors again, and I'm so excited. And like I said, I've already opened things, so here it is. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I used to have colorful hair, so I really love colors. And it's just so beautiful. I love it. Included in this video, I'm going to be doing a TikTok quick makeup look for eyeshadow, because someone that I've been watching for a few years now named NinkComPoop, Ellie James, she told me 3 or 4 of her favorite colors in this palette, and so I want to do a makeup look maybe based off of just those colors. Especially since, you know, I could choose my favorite colors, but let me try something new. So yeah, I can't wait to swatch these, show you guys these. I'll have a picture of all the colors swatched on my arm. I will definitely do that and pop that in here. But now, real quick, let's get to what I got. I got the freaking nudes. I got all the mini nudes. And because I didn't watch the videos, I didn't know that some people got the reds still, which I thought were discontinued or whatever. So I was kind of sad I didn't get the reds because I used to be a red lipstick person. But it's okay, I got some of these nudes and I can wear maybe at least 3 of them. Hi, Fungus. Stop it. So I'm also going to just show a picture of me swatching these, just because I don't want this video to be super duper long, and I see the time right now is already 12 minutes, which with editing might be a little less. But yeah, that's also why I don't have anything at all. This is my natural look on my eyelids right now. So when I become an actor, I have a little bit under right here, but when I become an actor and I have to play a sick role or something, I won't have to wear a bunch of makeup. I'll just be like waking up and be like, hey, ready for my sick role. Anyway, so far, just from looking at these colors, Rose Madder right here is one of my favorites that I would probably wear. Gemini, which might be the one that I wear with my makeup look, because in one of the other boxes, I got the Gemini pencil. So I'm gonna try them out together. And what's the other one? Maybe Mannequin or Skin Tight would be the other nudes that I could maybe wear. Oh, and I kind of like androgyny, but that's dark. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, that was everything that I got in this box. And like I said, I'm going to do a quick little eyeshadow look on TikTok that I'm going to insert in here. And then show you the rest of my outfit, because I'm actually wearing a high-waisted skirt. Oh, you can't see it. High-waisted skirt with this new shirt that I bought. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. You can